name is Mark Anthony. Love it. Conde system. Send me another box. Today. It came in today. Let's see what we got on it. Okay, yeah. For the slate. Let's see. Remember, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I want to get back to designing good stuff, and I want to subscribe. I want to do I missed that open house. Okay, let me put everything out first, and then we could take a look at it. Woo. Trim wraps. We know to talk about it. Oh, this is a lot of stuff. Let's see what we got. We got TUM 232. This is new. Wow. What's the difference on this one? This is bigger than the. Yeah. It's the biggest. Look at that. This definitely is a go. I got to do this one. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is bigger. The other one is smaller than this. Bear with me, guys. This is the 217, and this is the 232. So, two different ones. Okay. You know, I created a label that I put in on here, and I'm gonna show you. And if you need label, I print labels. Any type, any size, any shape. I print my own labels. Okay. So I created a label in order to put it in this tumblers to tell customers that right here, wash before. Warning, wash before using. Because I mean, people sometimes they just give that to the kids and they just start sucking juice out of it. No, it's sublimation. They gotta wash it first, you know. So remember, let the customer know that they gotta wash the. Okay, I got a WB014. This is new. Oh. This is new. Definitely gonna do a full wrap with this. Look at this. It's satin. I like it. Wow. Wow. Love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. This is. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do the template, a full wrap template. I know Sprite's doing full wrap now on template. I seen it in the website. They got my trick how to do templates, so I don't have a problem. Okay, I like that one. That's something I wanna. Oops, whatever it was, it went someplace. I don't know where it went. I'll find it later on. Oh, it didn't hit the garbage can. No, it didn't. I don't know where it went. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. I had learned when you do this stainless steel, when you do it all black print, it come out wonderful. You do a combination of black and gold and stainless steel, and it come out beautiful. I'm gonna do this too. So I could show you how to do it. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Karen and Conde. This is beautiful. This is good stuff. This is the stuff that we need. We need out there. This is new item. Okay. I'm gonna put the numbers up here of all these items. Hold on. Wow. Ain't this gorgeous? Look at this. Look at this. You sell this to customers that they want to have the drink. You know, they go in a party and they want to have their own drink. Nice. Another one. Telling you. Kinda knew I was out of my fight on COVID. They said let's give Mark Anthony a little bit of work down there in Tampa. Hi from Tampa. All the people around the U.S., Puerto Rico, anywhere Conde sell the merchandise. I mean, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Let me get a knife. I don't want this too. Wow, I love it. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Okay, this is the straw. Okay, got it. This is the straw for this one. You see it? Right down the middle. Perfect. So now remember, you're gonna get the straw with it. That's perfect. Okay. Let's see what we got here. These are coasters. Okay. Okay, perfect. I'll do those coasters. WS10. Nice little. And I'm gonna tell you a secret about these boxes. You could, and I did it once for a customer. I created a label with a sticker for the box, and it come out beautiful. That's a gift box. I mean, this is. Oh, this is a wine stopper. Yes. Holy cow! Imagine. Oh. Putting the initial of the person or picture. Wow, this is gorgeous. This will do. I'm gonna do this one too. Wow, a wine stopper. I'm gonna tell you guys. I mean, since I've been working with Conde since '99, maybe 2000. I mean, they didn't have all this stuff back in the days, but now, whoo, you got selection that you could sell and sell and sell. Wash your fingers. Okay. What are these? This is a key change. Nice, beautiful. Like a for graduation, class of 2023. Look at this, class of 2023. I'm gonna do this. The class of 2023. I'm gonna look for a high school around the neighborhood, and I'm gonna look in social media. I'm gonna tell you the secret about you creating. I call this. Blind samples. Let's say I got a high school around. Well, we got a lot down here in Tampa. I find that high school and I create the logo of the class for 2023 here, and I send that sample with a letter, okay, and a quote, and you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised, because I mean, it could be a fundraiser for them. You gotta use your imagination. Forget about the rest, okay? Use your imagination to create stuff. I'm gonna tell you guys, subscribe to my channel. All this stuff, this next box, that's the one I'm gonna start working on. Because this is new stuff. I want to put it out there before the holidays. So I'm gonna work on it this month. And I'm glad I'm back. I appreciate for your patience. Always call 988 if you need somebody to talk to. Okay, that's the new line for help, counseling, or talk to somebody. 988. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You're gonna love it. I mean, my name's Mark Anthony. Love it. And subscribe to my channel. Go to CONDESystem.com, Conde.com. Check out the new stuff. I mean, if you don't know how to do none of that stuff that Conde got there, call me. Send me your email. The email is out there. Ask Kevin Robinson, hey, can you a Sprite? Can you talk to Mark to see if he could do something with this? Because I know Sprite, she don't win them all. One of these days I'm gonna go up there to Mobile, Alabama, and we're gonna have a one-on-one. Same item, let's do it different. Okay? You pick the item, the Sprite. Hey guys, thank you for allowing me back to your computer or your phone, into your life. I'm back, and I'll be back. I tell you. Remember, my name is Mark Anthony. Love it. See you on the next video.